Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Today, friends, we will be making egg and potato salad. The ingredients are half kg boiled baby peeled potatoes, 1 large onion diced, 1 tomato diced, 1 tablespoon ginger garlic paste. For spices I have 1 tablespoon red chili powder, 3/4 tablespoon salt, 1/4 tablespoon turmeric powder, half tablespoon garam masala, 1 tablespoon kasuri methi, and 1 tablespoon cumin, coriander and black cardamom powder. I also have 5 boiled eggs and fresh coriander. Let's begin. Add half cup of oil, add onions, and cook until they turn light brown. Flame medium to low. Cook until light brown. Flame medium to high. Add ginger garlic paste. Mix well. Cook for 2 minutes. Add tomatoes. Cook until it melts. Add spices. Mix well. Cook for 5 minutes. Add water so the spices don't burn. Add potatoes and cook for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, turn down the flame and put the lid on and cook until the potatoes are soft. I mixed it between the 10 minutes. Now I'm going to add coriander. The potatoes can easily break now. Our egg and potato salad is now ready. Time to dish it out. Make sure you like, comment and subscribe for more videos. And check out our previous videos. Thanks for watching.